Deep in the Indian Ocean, there is an island called North Sentinel. The people who live there have no idea that the internet exists. They don't know about airplanes, antibiotics, or the International Space Station. To them, their island is the entire world. But we know they are there. We have satellites watching them right now. We have ships patrolling their waters. We could land there tomorrow. We could shake their hands. But we don't. We have laws that say, do not disturb them, do not contaminate them, just watch. Now look up at the stars. What if we are the tribe? And what if the reason we haven't seen aliens yet is because there is a sign on the edge of our solar system that says, do not touch. In 1973, MIT astronomer John Ball proposed a disturbing answer to the Fermi paradox. He called it the zoo hypothesis. It challenges our biggest ego trip, the idea that aliens would want to talk to us. Think about it. When you walk past an anthill in the park, do you stop to introduce yourself to the queen ant? Do you offer them technology? Do you explain mathematics to them? No. Actually, you might step on them. You might ignore them. Or, if you're a scientist, you might watch them. But you don't talk to them. The gap between your mind and theirs is too big. In science fiction, this is called the prime directive, the ethical rule that an advanced civilization must never interfere with a developing species. Why? Because contact would destroy us. If they landed tomorrow and gave us infinite energy and immortality, our culture would collapse. Our religions would shatter. We should lose our purpose. So, for our own good, they hide. They use stealth technology to cloak their ships. They silence their radios. They have built a one-way mirror around Earth. They can see in, but we cannot see out. But there is a darker interpretation. Maybe they aren't protecting us. Maybe they are protecting themselves from us. Look at human history. We are violent. We are tribal. We consume resources like a plague. We split the atom, and the first thing we did was build a weapon to burn cities. We aren't a cute developing species. We are a virus. Imagine if we figured out interstellar travel today. We would take our nukes, our politics, and our greed into the galaxy. We would be cosmic conquistadors. So the zoo is actually a prison, a quarantine zone. We are locked in this solar system until we can prove we can play nice. And if we try to leave before we are ready, if we try to break out of the cage, the zookeepers might decide if it is time to put the animal down. Let's go deeper. Zoos aren't just for looking. They are for studying. What if Earth is a galactic laboratory? Life on Earth is complex. We have millions of species, constant evolution, rapid adaptation. To an immortal alien race that hasn't changed in eons, our biology might be incredibly valuable. Maybe they are harvesting our DNA data. Maybe they are studying our immune systems. In this scenario, we are the lab rats. Every plague, every asteroid impact, every ice age might not be natural. What if they are variables in an experiment? Let's heat up the planet and see how the monkeys adapt. Let's introduce a virus and see how their society reacts. It's a terrifying thought. It means our suffering isn't random. It's only data. And you don't ask the lab rat for permission. You just run the test. But the most mind-bending version of this theory comes from physicist Stephen Webb. It is called the Planetarium Hypothesis. It asks a simple question. How are they hiding so well? We have powerful telescopes. We can see billions of light years away. Surely we would see something. A Dyson sphere? An engine exhaust? The Planetarium Hypothesis suggests that we don't see them because what we are looking at isn't real. What if the universe we see is a simulation, a projection? What if the stars are just a wallpaper pasted on the walls of our cage to make us think we are in a vast, empty universe? They might have built a virtual reality bubble around our solar system, a fake universe that looks empty just to keep us calm, to keep us from knowing the truth. We are living in a cosmic Truman Show. The set is built, the lighting is perfect, and we are the only ones who don't know it's a stage. This brings us to the ultimate horror of the Zoo hypothesis. It's not the fear of being attacked. It is the fear of being watched. It means that right now, as you sit there watching this video, there could be a probe the size of a fly on your wall. It means that every private moment, every secret, every war, every kiss has been broadcast to a silent audience of trillions. Are they entertained? Are they bored? Are they waiting for the season finale? If humanity is a reality show, we have to ask ourselves, what happens when the show gets cancelled? Maybe we are alone, but maybe, just maybe, the only reason it's quiet out there is because the audience is holding its breath. This is Cosmic Vertigo. If you like this video, please subscribe. That would help me a lot. We explore the darkness together.